Did I choose the right color? We have to address the elephant in the room. Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel and back to yet another video. If you're new here, I make videos on fashion, hair, beauty, and travel. So if that's your vibe, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I was craving color. I'm ready to switch it up, add a little bit more fun, more life. So I decided, let's change the color of my hair. Here's how it went. Hi loves, new unit from Her Given Hair. This is a shake and go unit. It's a full wig with bangs, kinky, 4B, 4C texture that is 18 inches and the cap is one size fits all. This wig is extremely dense, but also just great for summertime because if you know anything about the shake and go line at Her Given Hair, it's pretty easy to install and take off. You don't have to worry about leave out, and it is 100% human hair, so you can style this. It also comes in a variety of textures, colors, and lengths. I was in the mood to try a little bit of color for the spring summer. I think that this would be the perfect touch. It's almost nude, and I think that it'll bring a little bit of light to my face. So when you get your wig in the mail, you're gonna get product instruction booklets, a storage bag, extra clips, and a wig strap. The unit also comes with a drawstring in the back. It has a clip that will clip into the back of your head here. It does have a small patch of lace so that this part looks extremely natural, along with two clips on the side to clip into your ankle braids or however you want to adhere this to your head, making it really easy to take on and off. The first style we're going to do is just easy throw on, and I'm going to do an afro and cut the wig. So I want to brush it out really good and then cut it and style it to frame my face. So to put this wig on, I typically start with the back and place the clip right underneath my hair in the back, and then I pull it forward. Here is the texture just fresh out. As you can see, there's a little bit of a bang here. You have that natural parting, which you can shift and move, but I do tend to keep it in the middle. This is what it looks like. I'll give you a close-up of the texture so you can really see it. This texture is extremely realistic. Do you see the coils in this and the density? And their wigs always feel really, really secure. So first things first is I'm going to really brush and fluff this out, and I'm going to work in sections. We're getting there, and all I have is the front left, and I like for my front to be voluminous, so I'm almost going to comb a lot of this forward so I can see what's going on. This hair is so thick. So for one, I need to be a little bit more stacked because as you can see, it's more top heavy here. First things first is these pieces. I'm not taking off a lot, but you can just see that's all I took off in the front. If you pull this forward, it can get really long. The other thing is at the top, like I wanted to kind of taper off some. So here's one side shaped in a way that I think looks the best on my face. So as you can see, it's a little bit like more stacked so that you still get that heaviness at the top and that tapering off at the bottom, but it matches the bang area a lot better in terms of the cut. So you can wear this up, and then when you bend down, it's like, oh yeah, you do have a part, it's fine. So we're just going to repeat this on the other side. I get kind of like this extra length right here off the very top and taper that off. But it doesn't take cutting off a lot of hair. Was I wrong? A cut don't do it every time. Did I choose the right color? Shape your wigs, because this is like a one-time thing, so that from now on, every time that I install this unit, it will take me about a minute. I like it. Let me get up close. So this is what it looks like in its Afro state right here. This is exactly how I would wear it too. I would even pick it out some more, like just keep going with it, because why not? From the side, back. Forgiven Hair is also doing a summer sale, so I'm gonna leave the details for that. This is look one, Afro, styled as a fro. Is she given or not? 10 out of 10. 10 across the board. Now let's go ahead and do a perm rod set with it. Let's switch it up a little bit. Get you some water, mousse, detangling brush, rollers, and a towel. Section up the hair and wet it. Apply some mousse. You can detangle it if you want, like smooth the section out a little. Perm rod set is done. We're gonna let this dry and then take it out. This is about to be so fire. Perm rods are dry and I'll take them out as I normally would. You can treat this hair just like your own in the way that you care for it, in the way that you apply products, in the way that you style it. It's really easy to work with. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the bottom and just separate the curls like I would normally do. You see it kind of naturally separates anyway, so it makes it really easy without causing too much frizz. This is just the difference that separating makes. I haven't even picked this out yet. This is going to be stunning. It's so defined. I am going to pick it, but I just wanted you to relish in the perm rod set as it is. I feel like this is how they would have you leave a salon so that you can get results that last. But I just need like a little bit more volume. So let's pick it up. Perfection. It's even better. It's two totally different looks. The Afro versus the perm rod set. This is absolutely stunning. Perfect summer unit, easy on, easy off. It's completely customizable based on what it is that you want. Her given hair likely has an option for you, and this is literally a shake and go wig that we just elevated a little bit by cutting it and doing this perm rod set. Oh, good. Like, as it gets bigger too, it's going to start to look like this. As it gets more volume, you'll really be able to see this good shape and these stacked curls. Now let's quickly get ready for the day. There is no possible way that you can do your makeup or put on your clothes in like a minute or less. Maybe put on your clothes, but you definitely can't put on your makeup in a minute or less. But what you can do is your hair. If you want to wear this unit pushed back a little bit, take a brush or a rat tail comb and you're going to back comb or back brush the edges. So just take it like this and add frizz here. What hairline? It's your hairline. Easy hack. Jewelry, I need me a little shade moment. Of course, I'm gonna leave all of the details below. If you have any questions, please let me know. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.